DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's Monday. I believe it's the 25th today.
This is the 25th.
25th of April. Wow, we're heading, at the end of the week will be the 30th.
Yes.
Be the end of the month, right? 1st of May is on Saturday. Okay. Here they celebrate the 1st of May. My talk. So, anyway, but when I was driving, leaving to go shopping this morning, Charlie was sitting on the electrical box. It was pretty cool. So he does go there when I'm not around. Let's see here. It's a little bit warmer today, but pretty wet. Let's see. I saw a number of birds here when I drove by this morning. And let's see how much seed I have here. Yeah. Out here the sparrows. Wow, looks like they ate a lot of this up here. Somebody was ate all the grain up, which is good. You don't, oh, well, we have a couple of pigeons, but not many. Okay. I'll get to answering all your comments today. I'm actually all caught up with my videos. So I have no more videos to upload other than the ones today. So I'll devote this afternoon to doing answering comments and launching my little campaign. I don't know. I don't see any hawks around here, but the weather isn't good. So, get this out here. We have a couple of birds here. We have a couple of crows. Okay, let's see. I got some cashews here. Maybe we have some birdies. I don't see Charlie here. See, they don't like me looking at them. Very distrusting. There we go. Oh my goodness. It's Mondays are very rough because essentially up at 2 o'clock, 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning, and then by the time I get back and everything's straightened up, it's 5 o'clock. Then I talk to my son for 3 hours, and then I get dressed and head out to do shopping, and then pick Brian up from English lessons. It's really, really hectic. So we'll let's see what happens. We have our little birdies here. You see, as soon as I turn around, they fly away. So maybe I can get them from here. There's our little molted bird. Let's see if you can find that. See if you can find that sausage. See if you can find that sausage. Guess he's not finding it. Oh, he got it. He got it. It's very hard. This grass is very tall. Let's see how our little sparrows are doing. I'm really hoping that I can get a close-up with the birds on the other camera. I think once the farmer cuts the grass, it'll be a lot easier to see the birds. So, I'll throw this down right here. Looks like they ate most of it. Now they got some seed. The little sparrows, you hear them? Okay. Got someone crossing the street here. So I'll just wait a minute. We can see the crows here. Some of the pigeons are landing where I put the grain and the seed. And we'll put down some food here for Charlie. No cheddar today, but put this down here and see if he comes. See if Charlie comes. Put a couple of nuts. Oh, there he is. There's our Charlie. Good boy, Charlie. Good boy. Yeah, I cooked that up fresh for you this morning. Look at that Charlie. Good boy. There he goes. Ooh, I got something on my lens here. Get that off. Okay, now it's off. You may see those little specks in there. We'll have to see. But we'll throw this out over here. It's easier for them to get. There we go. Oh, we gotta be careful. We gotta be careful. When the other birds are not as adept at getting stuff, I'm gonna knock this off of here because I don't want it on there. Better that they get it on the ground. Charlie's really good. Charlie's really good at landing on there, but not all the birds are so good. So, oh, here's Charlie again. Here, Charlie. Here, good boy. There you go. There's our Charlie. See? Oh, that's our good Charlie. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Charlie. Good boy. There he goes. Let's see where he goes. Wow, Charlie came down twice. He must really be hungry. There we go. Well, there's plenty on the field. I don't see any hawks around, so we'll come off the field here. Here we are, crows eating over there. Yeah. They're very hungry today. Very, very hungry. Even though I did show up last night, and they did get treats last night. But the weather's just a little bit cooler, and that's why they seem to be hungrier than usual. I think it was supposed to be 5 or 6 last night, but it was about 8. So it was a little warmer, actually, than anticipated. But tonight's supposed to be cooler. The next 3 nights are supposed to be cool. So, and supposed to have rain today and tomorrow. Thursday we're supposed to have sun. So we'll see what happens. Thursday should be a gorgeous day. I don't see any hawks there. The crows are having a good time. Also, the pigeons are there. You see, the crows don't mind it when I'm this far away. It's too bad I had something on my lens. That may show up. We'll just have to see. Guy, I don't know what I have for you left here. I don't think I have any sausage. A little guy here looking for something. But I know, I'll throw a couple of peanuts down. I got a couple of peanuts. Come on, guy. Here. We'll throw a couple of peanuts down over here. Of course, the people for Hayfully are staring. What else is new? Constantly being watched. We got a couple of nuts here. There we go. Oh, the hawk's down. The hawk is down. That's Jeremy. I don't know if there's much left, but we'll throw a couple of nuts here. There's Jeremy. There's Jeremy. Oh, I don't think I have my camera on me to get a close-up. Forgot to bring it again. I need to keep it in the car, but wow, look at that, that crow's chasing him. But Jeremy did show up. Again, I put a sausage in there and a half a dozen eggs this morning. He wants to land, but the crows are after him. Oh, we have one seagull here.